Let's talk about joints. The bony joint. A bony joint, or synostosis, is when the gap between two bones merge, or ossify, permanently together. The two create a single, immobile structure. Think about two puzzle pieces coming together to make one. This can occur in fibrous or cartilaginous joints, such as the frontal bone and mandible in infants, and the hip bones in adults. Synostosis between the ilium, ischium, and the pubis in the hip bone. Fibrous joint. A fibrous joint, also known as synarthrosis, connects adjacent bones by collagen fibers that cross over the space between them and penetrate into the other bone. There are three types of fibrous joints. Sutures, gymphosis, syndesmosis. In sutures and gymphosis, the fibers are very short and do not allow for much, if any, movement. Very short fibrous collagen fibers connecting cranial bones. Very short fibrous collagen fibers between a tooth and mandible, or maxilla. Syndesmosis connective fibrous tissues are longer, allowing for more movement between bones, as seen here in the tibia and fibula. Cartilaginous joint. A cartilaginous joint, also known as amphiarthrosis, is a type of joint where two bones are connected by cartilage. There are two types of cartilaginous joints. Synchondrosis, symphysis. Synchondrosis is a joint where two bones are joined by a hyaline cartilage. Let's look at the epiphyseal plate between the epiphysis and the diaphysis in the long bone of a child. Symphysis is a joint where two bones are joined by a fibrocartilage. Picture each vertebra covered with hyaline cartilage, while each disc allows for some movement. Combining all 23 discs makes the spine quite flexible. Synovial joint. Last, we have the synovial joint, or diarthrosis, the most common and complex joint in the body. Elbows, knees, hips, and ankles. Most are super flexible, and all are crucial for our quality of life. Synovial joints have a narrow space between the bones filled with synovial fluid. This lubricates and reduces friction. This is called synovial cavity. Pictured here is the synovial fluid. Other structures related to synovial joints include tendons, ligaments, bursa. If you've ever slid into third base one too many times, you may have injured or burst your bursa sac, and you know how painful that can be. Additionally, structures are articular disc at the end of the clavicle, meniscus, the fibrocartilage pad in the knee to absorb compressions. There are 6 forms of synovial joints. Ball and socket, example, hips and shoulders. Condylar, example, between metacarpals and phalanges. Saddle joint, example of between trapezium and the first metacarpal of the thumb. Plane joint, between carpals and tarsals. Hinge joint, elbows, and knees. And the pivot joint, the head on the radius and ulna. In the end, protect your joints.